Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I have really something to share with you all. A few days ago, I was reading about a young talented athlete who has been training for many years, has appeared in many tournaments, has also got state level medals. So this truly shows his commitment towards something that he has chosen, right? But what really stunned me over here is some conversations at his home held like his parents told him to choose some other stable options but not this. Guys, this thing stayed with me because it has not come out of disappointment but out of fear. In a country like India, talent is not rare. What is rare over here is the system that we can believe or trust. I mean, when families cannot see a clear path, then they start to look for more stable options for their children. Why? Because this system does not promise stability, and moreover this, most importantly, it does not provide opportunities to the people out there who really works harder for this. And you know what is the biggest reason behind it? The connections, big connections and accesses. When people see it, they get to know कि efforts alone is not really enough to rise. और फिर कोई भी parents अपने बच्चे के future को risk में देखने का नहीं चाहेगा. क्योंकि sports is respected here only after success, not during that struggle period, not during when athletes to have self-doubt towards their passion that they have chosen. That is the most sudden part I feel. I mean, this thing you all can relate with your general life when you all do have some dreams and you all give your days and nights just to make your dreams come true. But what if your results do not come in your favor? The same self-doubts used to appear in your head. Is this the right path you have chosen or you are made for it or not, right? The same thing is into sports, guys. Let me tell you one thing over here is that many players do not quit sports because they stop loving it. But because even loving it, they cannot pursue it because of many reasons. You might say lack of opportunities, or you might say that opportunities do not reach young talents but to the connections first. और फिर हम पूछते हैं कि इंडिया में स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर क्यों ग्रो नहीं कर रहा है? क्योंकि the problem is not lack of passion or discipline, but the problem is that system makes passion feel unsafe unless it guarantees success. This is how I feel, this is how I can see it. I mean, I really feel that changes are needed so badly so that real and true efforts get recognized first before connections. And sports become something that people can trust but not fear. And I genuinely hope that in coming years, changes do come so that our young talents do not have to give up or quit so early. So guys, these were my point of views regarding this and I would really like to get to know yours. So just comment down in comment section. Baki, stay updated with our contents and keep showering your support and love to the contents. Thank you.